How to copy and paste in Excel without changing the format. So if you're having an issue with copy and pasting a table or some piece of text and it's coming up in the wrong source format, this is going to fix that. What you're going to want to do first of all is go ahead and copy your area like usual. So if you're trying to copy a table of data, you'll want to go ahead and shift, then select to copy like you usually would. Right click, copy. But before you paste, don't do it like usual by clicking right click and then paste. What you can do is go to the top left hand corner, click the drop down, then you'll be able to see keep source formatting in the paste section, and there you can see it will paste directly like that. You could do it in a different sheet just by going right clicking and keeping the source formats. There's two different ways of doing it. Do in the top left hand corner or right clicking, paste special, then keep source formatting. You can even do that in a completely separate Excel worksheet like so. You can do it any way you want to. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.